Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to do gradient text in Gimp. I'm using Gimp version 2.10, but I imagine it's very similar, if not the same, in any other versions of Gimp that you might have. The first thing that we need to do is open up a new file. I'm going to choose white for the background for now. So we'll click OK there, File, New. I'm just going to put any text in here, so I'm just going to click the text tool and write in the text that we want. I'm going to make it a little bit larger just for the purposes of this video. And then I'm just going to move it to the middle as usual. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is select which colors that we want. So for this particular video, I'm just going to keep the red here, and I'm going to change the white to maybe some form of a bright yellow, just so that it really pops when we create the gradient in the text. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your text layer, right click and hit Alpha to Selection. Then you want to go up to Tools. Under Paint Tools you can select Gradient, and over here you can click on this box and you can pick what type. If you just want a solid line in the middle, you can pick this. If you want it to go gradually from one color to the other, I usually choose one of these. This I find is the one that kind of looks the best. So once you have this selected, you can basically just click anywhere on your background, hold it down, and if you want the color to blend from top to bottom, you can drag straight down. The further you go, you'll see that it begins to turn, and you can kind of keep dragging to the bottom until it looks like, you know, what you want it to be. I kind of like it right about here. You can also move it in different directions. So if I want it to go from left to right, I can drag it this way. If I want it to go from right to left, I can drag it this way, or kind of diagonally. And as you can see, the longer the line is, the longer I drag it out, the more solid it becomes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you grade your gradient text in Gimp. So yeah, it helps your text pop a little bit more than if it was just a solid color. It's very helpful when you're doing any kind of text that you want to stand out, or especially thumbnails for YouTube. That's it for today. Thanks and have a great day.